Okay, this video here is going to be the HDP 50, and we got some of those 8.4 steel gram bearings in here, and we're using the 1100 psi 6-hour tank. Alrighty. Get this in. Turn it on. Alrighty, here. Slide check. Alrighty, let's see what we can get. Alright, let's start this over just in case. What the fuck? 946. $444. $464. Jesus Christ. Ow, my fucking eardrums. Anyways, there you can see, balls are empty. Holy shit, I didn't think I was gonna get this much from that, but yeah, there you have it, guys. HDP, 467 FPS, 8.6 gram balls. Have a good one.